friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is V. This is the series where I take you along my trip to the Maritimes in Canada. This is day 4 where I continue to explore Nova Scotia and visit places with breathtaking views and take you with me to try different food spots. Our first stop was to grab breakfast at the Cheeky Neighbor Diner. We ordered a variety of items on their menu, such as waffles, the Cheeky Classic that comes with eggs, potatoes, and sweet potatoes, sausages, toast, and more. After breakfast, we drove to Lunenburg, which was approximately 1 hour and 10 minutes. We booked a Lunenburg harbor tour. This tour was approximately 1 hour and it cost around $30 per person. Make sure to check their website or call ahead to check their daily tour schedules. Schedules may vary depending on the weather conditions that day. On this tour, you will learn about the history of Lunenburg and see the brightly painted buildings and homes of the town. This view will never get old and is so beautiful and calming. It can get quite windy while on the boat, so make sure to bring a jacket or wear extra layers. After the tour, we looked for a place for lunch. We grabbed lunch at the Fish Shack. I had the scallops and chips, which was breaded scallops and some French fries. These scallops were amazing. They tasted so fresh and so sweet. After lunch, we walked around the area and explored the nearby shops. There were some gift shops nearby as well. We came across an ice cream shop and we couldn't say no to it. I got the chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. Our next stop for the day was the iconic Peggy's Cove. This was approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes drive. This spot is very well known and is a popular tourist attraction. It was super windy when we went. While walking on the rocks, we tried to be very careful not to fall over. We explored the village, went into some of the souvenir shops, and took lots of pictures here. I would definitely recommend visiting this place if you are ever in Nova Scotia. For dinner, we headed to the Bicycle Thief. We ordered an appetizer and a variety of different pastas to try. And that leads us to the end of our day 4 vlog. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Up next in episode 5, we drive from Halifax to New Brunswick and continue our adventures in the Maritimes. See you in my next video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this vlog.